Hello, everyone. I'm Sevvandi, and I'm a lecturer at RMIT University. And I'm interested in detecting unusual patterns. So it's called many names. It's called anomaly detection, and traditionally it was called outlier detection, and then sometimes it's called event detection, and then it's called novelty detection, and maybe like interesting sequence detection. So it's called by many names, and all these names are not exactly the same, but also there are common threads running between these names. So there are many applications. For example, in cybersecurity, an anomalous event or a pattern might be an intrusion that needs to be detected very quickly. In weather, it might be an extreme weather event that we need to be warned about. In finance, it can be a stock market crash, or in biostatistics, some disease that is, that you can see from the different patterns in the genome, or even in eSports, it can be a different sequence of gameplay dynamics that leads to the victory, or that leads to something different, something weird that is of importance to us, that is like a telltale signature of things. So these unusual patterns and unusual things occur in many applications, or like a lot of applications, and there are a lot of methods for this, a lot of techniques. But the thing is, like each also the data is as the data gets more complex, and there are different data types, and like videos as opposed to long sequences, high dimensional data streams, like images, because there are a lot of different data types, and also different scenarios and applications. It's like there's one method does not fit all of them. So almost always what we find is there are application-based methods developed, and even though after a lot of there are nuances in the data which needs to be taken care of. So there are lots of things that needs to be done because of the data, and also because, say, it's not just because of the data type. Say, if you have a very high dimensional data set, that will not be the methods that are used for that will not be the same as the methods that you're going to use for a streaming data set, right? So if you've got a data stream, so therefore things are the methods that you use might be different, and there may be modifications, and then certain things that you need to done to tune that your methods and techniques are fitted are better for your data. So what I wanted to just let people know is I'm working in this area, and I was fascinated by all the eSports discussions, and I've so I'm very much looking for collaborations. If you are interested in looking at unusual patterns and unusual data, or anomalies or novelties, whatever you may call it, please get in touch with me. Thank you.